Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Kaspa price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis, a special request video of course for you guys as requested. We have 1 2 3 4 5, of course finished a wave 1 here as an impulse for Kaspa, and then we saw a wave 2, very deep and sharp wave 2, and then 1 2 3 4 5 again to finish your wave 3, and then 4 of course as a sharp wave 4 as well, and 1 2 3 4 5 kind of to finish a wave 5, finishing of course a big impulse towards the upside. After this big impulse, you are looking, of course, for a correction after it, where you are looking here at A, B, and a C, of course, towards the downside, finishing a correction here and probably starting a new impulse towards the upside. And if we take a closer look here, we are looking probably at a wave 1 2 here formation, where we see a 1 2, and then probably sorry, here 1 2, and then 1 2 3 4 5 for your wave 3, and then a 4 and a 5. By all means, you are looking here at possibly 1 2, and then 3 4 and a 5, of course, to finish as is a wave 1. So in that case, I would say, of course, that we are bullish probably, and we are looking towards the upside because we saw a rejection exactly in the or between the 0.618 and the 0.78 green box for a wave 2, which is a perfect place or perfect fib level where a wave 2 would like to start to unfold towards the upside after, of course, an impulse. And in that case of scenario, of course, you are bullish and you are looking for a wave 3 towards the upside. Your possible targets are, in case we have bottomed exactly here, of course, and we don't see further lower prices, we are probably here looking for 1.618, 0.33 cent for a Kaspa. Now, in your bearish scenario is that you did not finish a big correction after a big impulse here. And by all means, because this is a big impulse, so that means it might be, of course, a big wave 1, right? Or a big wave A. And by all means, here, if you are 1, and then you're looking for 2, 3, 4, 5, of course, but here we're talking about a big scenario, which it can be such a scenario as a wave 1 here, and then 2, and then 3 4 5, of course. Now, is that was it enough for a wave 2? I doubt it, and therefore this open a question mark, of course, for further corrections. Another possibility is that it could be an A, B, and a C as well, right? So this as, of course, another scenario, I would say it can be in this yellow scenario. It can be a wave A, and then we have, rather than wave 2, we have a wave B, and of course a wave C rather than a big impulse towards the upside. Now, of course, if we want to take a fib level taken from the start of this impulse till the top here of your wave 5, your minimum target is the 0.38 fib level, right? We need a minimum target for a correction to call this as a 1, 2, and then 3, 4, 5, or A, B, and a C. So that's why here it opens a question mark. Are we bullish or are we still looking for more correction? Now, as I said, if we see higher prices, this might be your bullish scenario where you have bottomed for a wave 2 here after an impulse towards the upside. Now, if you are still corrective, I would say this can be taken as a corrective wave where you can see as A, B, and a C probably, and then A, B, and a C towards the downside. So yeah, that opens a scenario of finished kind of like WXY with several structure. However, you still need, of course, to look for lower prices. Now, I think even this the whole structure here can even taken as WXY in another scenario, for example, a zigzag, and another zigzag here, and then just a connection for a wave X in between, which make it WXY. Double zigzag with a WXY, where it is considered as 3 waves in that way, right? And here having also 3 waves, and then you are looking here at 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. So this rejection here might be your wave 4 and looking for a wave 5 towards the downside. So be careful from it, of course, because yeah, also the whole market right now is a little bit bearish, and all of them are in the formation of an impulse and as well in a wave 4. So Kaspa might be the same. Be careful with it. It might be, of course, a little bit deeper, which I think it has a little bit higher possibility, guys. So be careful from it. If we have three waves down, three waves up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, of course, then of course looking for lower prices. Now, regarding this wave 2 or wave B, if we are still looking at for lower prices, it might be that once we finish this wave C here, finish three waves down, and then it's gonna finish three waves up again, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And probably in that case, you got your bullish scenario ready in this area, and then moving towards the upside, probably, of course. So these are the scenarios for Kaspa. To recap very fast, guys, in your bullish scenario, you would like to see higher prices, of course, from now. You would not like to see the low taken again. If you break this 0.786, be sure that you are in a bearish scenario. Okay. If you move towards the upside, definitely you are in a bullish. If you take this low, yeah, be careful with it. It's a bearish scenario where you have 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, and your wave 5 might be even extended, so be careful from it because we have a short wave 3. However, as well, if you are in a wave 4, let's see here, if you are in a wave 4 as an impulse, yeah, you're very close. You have hit already the 0.23, not yet. But if you hit it, you might start to dive deeper. So if you hit this price as well, you might start to move deeper. So these are the fib levels and the prices that you have to watch. This is your bearish scenario because your wave 4 wants to hit this one and move towards the downside. And this is your bullish scenario where you have yeah, where you don't have to come back to this area, and you would like, of course, to preserve this line or to hold this line from being broken. Okay, these are the level that you need to watch in Kaspa. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye bye.